In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new employee in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online and you're on the home dashboard. You'll also want to have the employee's basic details handy, like their legal name, email, hire date, and any pay or tax information your payroll setup requires. Having this ready helps you complete the process smoothly without stopping to look things up. From the home dashboard, start by clicking All Apps. This takes you to the area where QuickBooks organizes features by category. Under the Team section, select Employees. You'll see your employee list. In the top right corner, click Add Employee to open a new employee profile. Now enter the employee's basic information. Type the first name and last name exactly as they appear on legal and tax documents. If you have a middle initial, you can include it, but that field is optional. Add a valid email address if you plan to send pay-related communications or if your payroll process uses email notifications. Next, enter the hire date in the MMDDEYY format. Using the correct hire date is important because it affects payroll eligibility and certain compliance reports. If you have additional employment and pay details ready, go ahead and enter those now. For pay rate and schedule, choose the rate type that matches how the employee is paid, such as hourly or salary, and select the pay frequency your organization uses, like weekly or bi-weekly. For the payment method, pick direct deposit if you'll be paying the employee electronically, or check if you'll issue paper checks. When choosing direct deposit, be sure your payroll settings are already configured to handle it. For tax information, input the federal and state details consistent with the employee's tax forms and your company's payroll setup. Accuracy here ensures withholdings and filings are correct, so it's a good idea to verify entries against the documents you have on file. Before saving, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Confirm the spelling of names, the hire date format, and that the pay and tax entries match your records. Small errors can lead to payroll issues later, so a quick review now saves time. When everything looks good, click Save to finish adding the employee. The profile will appear in your employees list, and you can return to update details later if policies or rates change. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.